Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can you earn money monthly 1000 USD to 3000 USD or weekly 500 USD to 1000 USD. Okay, so let me show the tricks which I will show you. Yeah, it is a very secret method and you can earn money guarantee. So if you can follow my video, I think it is best for you to earn money. So let me show today how can you earn money and what you have to do and how can you set up. Okay, we will marketing at Pinterest. Maybe we know or someone know Pinterest.com. I will promote affiliate marketing through Pinterest. Pick up product from Amazon. Okay, so let me show you. So let's get started. First, we have to go Pinterest.com. You already seen in my dashboard. It's my Pinterest account. It's business account. You have to do business account, not personal account. Where you will get your business account? You will get your business account at your setting. Okay, go to the setting. Here you see that account management and just see that convert to a personal account. If I do that now, it will be the convert personal account. So my account is now is business account. Okay, when you will create your account, just convert to the business account and create your specific niche, not everything. Just create your specific niche which you want to work. I want to work at pets. Okay, pets related I want to work start. So that's why I created this pets pages. Pets life you already seen in my pages. Here many visitors are coming here. I already opened it since 1 month ago. Hopefully, if I will do post daily five post here, it will get I will get more sales. Okay. So how can you choose product and how can you upload here? Let me show you. This is my niche, and I will upload this related video, this related picture. Okay. So let me go to the Amazon.com. It's Amazon. I'll do affiliate marketing at Amazon. Okay. So then you have to go this niche, this option, today deals. Here you will see that which niche you want to work. Just select from here. My niche is pet life, pet supplies. Here I am going, and which product I want to choose. Just recharge seed product. Okay. I don't want to now recharge because I don't have time. So you will recharge the product. For recharge product, I will upload one video. How can you recharge product and you will get more sales? So let me choose one product randomly. Let me choose this product. Go to here and just copy this uh, title. Copy and go to your Pinterest account and go to here create pin. So you saw the pin here test. Now it's more than more than it's a red marking. So you have to dig this water. Just see here, see below at which is perfect. Now it's perfect. And let me test these pictures here. Then you have to choose one picture. Let me download this picture. It's better. So I download it. Okay. I have to press this at the Pinterest point. It is downloading. At the same time, we can go the tag. We have to create a tag and destination link. Or you will get tag. Just go to here. Just copy this first word because this will create auto tag, which grow automatically, which grow will SEO automatically, and you have to go this option, this website, tracktools.com. Here you will get a lot of tags. So let me paste which tag you need. Just put here one keyword. So I want to promote this USA. Select here, find keep hashtag, and a lot of hashtags which are ranking. Copy from here and go to here and paste here. So at outer text here paste all the keyword, and you need a destination link. So you will get a destination link here. Copy here. Don't put here directly. Your account will be banned. So don't put here directly. You must be show the link, shorter link. So what we have to do? We have to go to Cartly. Only Cartly is accepted, not Bitly, Bitdual not accepted pin interest. Cartly only accepted. Okay, understand? Then we can paste here. Then we can shorten here. Then copy. Go to the pin interest page, and here it's wrong, so we have to paste right one. Okay, so now picture is left, so we have picture already not downloaded. So let me choose again. It's downloaded or not. Let me see. Yeah, it's downloaded. Got it. Then we have to choose the picture. You just see that here recommended at least 2 or 3 tall. Okay, recommended 2 or 3 picture will be more better. So I put it just one picture. I uploaded, but it must be the Pinterest actual size. So for the too much time being, I just do that within that. So I recommend you the Pinterest exercise. You have to eat it and it must be uploaded because it will get ranked and you will get sales more. So without limited time, so for limited time, I cannot do that. So just now I want to upload it, and you just say that here. You want the upload option? Yes, publish option. You have to publish here. You will get more sales if you follow this method because it's very effective method ever I have seen. So I think you will get more sales. Just creative pages, one or more like a specific niche, and you will get more sales. If you daily post at least 5 posts in one account, suppose you have 10 Pinterest account, you post 5 posts in one account in a specific niche. I think there will be more sales, more sales. Just follow this method. It's a very effective method ever I have seen, and I also got a lot of sales. So I think you got to do everything, and this will help you a lot to gain your money and to get more earning. So subscribe my video. I will upload this type of all video, and I think you will get a lot of secret from me. So thank you very much for enjoying my video.